Today we're going to be learning estimating percents by rounding numbers. The first problem is 15% off of $27. What you're going to do is you're going to round the 27 to the nearest multiple of 10, which is 30, and 3 times 10 equals 30. So you're going to find the percent off of 10 that number is. 15% off of 10 is 1.5. 1.5 times 3 equals 4.50, and since you're taking it off of the original, you're going to subtract it from the original, which is 27, getting about $22.50. About $22.50. So the next problem is going to be 35% of 28. You're going to round 28 to 30. Once again, 3 times 10 equals 30. 35% of 10 equals 350. So 350 times 3 is 1050. So your answer is about 1050. The next problem is 80% of 21. You're going to round 21 to 20. 2 times 10 equals 20. 80% of 10 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. So the answer is going to be about 16. The next problem is going to be 60% of 80, which is 80 rounds. 80 itself is a multiple of 10, so it stays as 80. 8 times 10 equals 80. 60% of 10 equals 6, and 6 times 8 equals 42. So the answer is about 42. Although you're supposed to say about, but since the number is a multiple of 10, it's not completely necessary. Okay, the next problem is going to be 55% of 90. 90 stays itself. 9 times 10 equals 90. 5% of 10 equals 5.5. 5.5 times 9 is 49.5. So the answer is about 49.5.
This is lesson 5.6, estimating percents by using equivalent fractions. The first problem, what you're going to have to do is 75% times 450, and the fraction equivalent to that is 3/4 times 450. And then that equals approximately 337.5, but if you round it up, it's 338. And then you subtract 338 from 450 where you started, and you get 112. The second problem, you're going to have to do 70% times 190, which is approximately 3/4 times 190. Then you get around 142. Then you have to subtract 190 from where you started, minus 142, and equals 48. For the third problem, you're going to have to do 70% times 20, which is approximately 3/4 times 20. Then that equals 15. For the fourth problem, you're going to do 45% times 30, which is approximately half times 30, and that approximately is 15. 30 minus 15 is 15. For the last problem, you're going to have to do 60% times 300, which is approximately 2/3 times 300, and then that approximately equals 200, so then your answer is 200.